Hi people, nice to see you. It's singing assembly time. This is our last singing assembly of the term before the summer holidays. Year 6s, this is your last singing assembly with me, really. Everyone else, year 1, 2, 3, 4, 5s. Guys, we will have more singing assemblies in September on video to start off with, probably. Probably won't be all back together in the hall straight away, but hopefully those times will come soon. So for our last one before the holidays, I don't want to sing something new. I want us to sing things we've done already, things we're really good at, because then we're celebrating all the things that we've already done this term, which is what we're doing now at the end of term in all your lessons. We're celebrating all of your learning and your achievements and how much you've grown. So we're going to sing some songs that we already know. And so I was thinking, what songs should we do that really mean something? Because we always want to do our best ones. We want to do things that have sort of that remind us of what we've been through. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to, first of all, we're going to go back to singing assembly number 1. The very first one we did. The very first one we did. You were all at home at that point, I think, apart from maybe 1 or 2 of you. And I said the first song we're going to do when we get back together is We Shall Overcome, because that's a song about facing down challenges and becoming stronger as a result. So we're all going to sing We Shall Overcome together. That's going to be our first song today. And then We Shall Overcome has also got a lot of significance for the fight against racism. It's a song that was sung in America when people were fighting what's called the civil rights struggle, fighting for black and white people and people of all colours to be treated equally. So that's really good, because that has been massively in our thoughts, as it should be, but especially at the moment in the States after the death of George Floyd and with the Black Lives Matter movement and all of those things. And so it's really good that we're singing We Shall Overcome to show our support for that. And we are also going to sing Ain't Gonna Let Nobody Turn Me Around from a few weeks ago, because that's another song about keeping going, about not giving up, about fighting the good fight to make the world a better place and fight against injustice and racism and oppression. So that's song number 2. And then, do you know what? While we are there, we are going to end with an inspiring song to fill us with hope for the future, because times have been really hard for the past few weeks and months. It's been really tough for all of us. It's been tough for grown-ups. I can only imagine what it's been like to be a child through this time. It's going to go down in history, and you will all have stories to tell about how you coped and survived and the challenges you had to face. But we don't just want to get bogged down in feeling down about things, so we are also sort of looking to the future and looking to hopefully things getting better. So we're going to sing Three Little Birds as our last song, because Three Little Birds has the words, don't worry, everything's going to be all right. So those are our 3 songs. We shall overcome, because we're saying we will get through this. We'll get through this together. We are good enough. We are smart enough. We are brave enough. We are strong enough. We are kind enough. We are going to sing Ain't Gonna Let Nobody Turn Me Around, because we are remembering that no one is going to stop us doing the right thing. No one is going to stop us fighting against oppression and racism. And then we're going to sing Three Little Birds by the wonderful Bob Marley, because we're going to remember that it's going to be okay. We can get through this. It's going to be all right. Okay? Now you're going to see all the old videos of me singing it, because I already did good videos of them. So we'll go back in time when I had really short hair and it was the start of lockdown. Are you ready by magic? Oh, very quick warm-up. Sitting up straight, please. Actually sitting up straight. That means you. I'm watching you. If there's a grown-up not sitting up straight, can you, give them a nudge? Oh, hey, grown-up. Do it now, politely. Thank you. Okay, straight back. Roll your shoulders. Stretchy yawn. Even stretchier, please. Come on, get all that tiredness, all that lockdown, sluggish lethargy out of your system. Very nice. Oh, little B. Magic B. Going to paint your name. When it goes up, you do that. When it goes down, it does that. Paint your name. So my name is David, so I'm going to you paint your name with the magic B. Make the noise. Ready, steady, go. Very nice. Last one. Ooh, big, cold glass of water. Feel that nicely going down your throat. One more. Last bit of our warm-up will be, we are a choir of many colours. Go to magic, past David, sing it with you. We are a choir of many colours. We'll be singing, singing all our lives. We are a choir of many colours. We'll be singing, singing all our lives. Take it up, here we go. We are a choir of many colours. We'll be singing, singing all our lives. We are a choir of many colours. We'll be singing, singing all our lives. We are a choir of many colours. We'll be singing, singing all our lives. We are a choir of many colours. We'll be singing, singing all our lives. And we go, last one, here we go. We are a choir of many colours. We'll be singing, singing all our lives. We are a choir of many colours. We'll be singing, singing all our lives. We shall overcome. We shall overcome. We shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We'll walk hand in hand. We'll walk hand in hand. We'll walk hand in hand someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we'll walk hand in hand someday. We are not afraid. We are not afraid. We are not afraid today. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we are not afraid. We'll walk hand in hand. We shall overcome someday. Good. So ain't gonna let nobody. Second verse, ain't gonna let injustice. Third verse, ain't gonna let no hatred. Fourth verse, like the first verse, ain't gonna let nobody turn me around. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ain't gonna let nobody turn me around, turn me around, turn me around. Ain't gonna let nobody turn me around. Keep on hatred. Turn me around, turn me around, turn me around. Ain't gonna let no hatred turn me around. Keep on walking, keep on talking, marching to the freedom land. Ain't gonna let nobody turn me around, turn me around, turn me around. Ain't gonna let nobody turn me around. Keep on walking, keep on talking, marching to the freedom land. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. 3 little birds pitch by my doorstep, singing sweet songs, melodies pure and true. Singing, this is my message to you. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. 3 little birds pitch by my doorstep, singing sweet songs, the melodies pure and true. Singing, this is my message to you. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Good! It's back to me, David, on the 13th of July. So look, hair's gone long again. Is it 13th? I think it's the 13th. Wonderful singing. Thank you so much for singing with me. Don't stop singing. You can look at all of the old music assemblies. I must have done about, well, it's been 12 weeks, and sometimes there's been 3 videos a week, and sometimes there's been 2 videos a week. I think there's about 50 videos now that you could go along and sing with my lovely face on. www.music@rushmore.blogspot.com. Everyone say it. www.music@rushmore.blogspot.com. Or if you go to YouTube and just search for Music at Rushmore, you can also just find my Rushmore channel. Hey, you could like and subscribe. You don't have to. It's not my dream to be a YouTube star. I'm very happy to be back in the classroom, hopefully soon. Go and sing all of the old songs. They're all there for you. Have a lovely time. Have a lovely summer, guys. I'm so proud of all of you. Special shout out to my Year 6s. I'm going to miss you guys. Have a lovely summer, guys. Happy singing. Keep singing. You're good. You're all good. You're all good people. You're good.